Welcome to Dinner and Sugar. There is my garlic and shallot steak, looking nice and delicious because it was delicious, and I did not burn the butter. Let's see how I did it. I was feeling so hungry, I just wanted some red meat, honestly, so I decided to make some. It was just a nice little Domenico steak. I seasoned it with some olive oil and my favorite Greek seasoning. Put some slits in there so I can stuff some garlic, and this was a really great way to get some garlic in there without burning it. Next, a little butter in my hot skillet, and in goes the steak. I got a really nice sizzle, and now I'm gonna season it again. I'm gonna put that garlic in there. I'm gonna make some more slits for the garlic because I love garlic and I love shallots. Look at all those garlic cloves. And they're not gonna get too burned either. A little bit of more of my seasoning. Next, we're gonna check on the part 2 to my lunch. It was just a coconut oil, oven roasted cabbage. Back to my steak. I'm gonna give it a flip as soon as I can get it over. There we go. Looks delicious. Delicious. Next goes my shallots. As soon as I pull up that little bit of burned garlic. So in goes my shallots, and I'm gonna toss those around for a little bit. And how about a few more shallots, because this is a shallot and garlic steak. So this is gonna go in the oven for a little bit just to finish cooking the way I like it. I like mine pretty medium well. There goes my cabbage, it's done. I did not want it too soggy. Okay, let's check on the steak. Let's check on the steak. Okay, there it is. It is out of the oven. Look at everything, all nice and caramelized. How about a little cabbage? Okay, let's wait for it. Wait for the steak. Okay, there it is. How about a lot of steak? And how about a lot of shallots, nice and caramelized? Thanks so much for watching and subscribing to Dinner and Sugar.